Fong Prean was founded in 1986. Is a Taiwanese fastener manufacturer specialized in constructional screws. Provide professional service and quality guarantee. If you think this is the limitation of screws, you are limited by your imagination. To meet clients' special requests, we're not only designing drawing, but also producing sample by using 3D printing to discuss and increase our success. We ask ourselves to stand in clients' position and think outside of the box. We research and design. From mold, recess, head, thread, point, all the way to coating. You can dream big, and we can help. So far, we have developed at least 17 patented screws. The screws look unique and have their own specialty. It is not only a small screw, it fills with lots of details from inside to outside. By those details, we can help you to fulfill market's needs, expand competitiveness, easily make products reach to customer around the world. We live for solving problems.